Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add friends in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale. Once you do that, follow through the on-screen prompt to download or install. So once you're done downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be required to pass the first phase of a tournament that's going to be presented to you. Once you're done doing that, you can now, it's going to take you right into this home screen where you're going to have access to a couple of features that will make you have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to add friends in Clash Royale. Now I'll show you two ways to do that. Number one, using Supercell ID, and number one, in the Clash Royale application itself. So from here, head over to the top corner of your screen. You're gonna see this people icon at the top right corner of your screen, right? So click on this people icon at the top right corner of your screen. So now you can invite friends by clicking on this invite friend option. So click on the invite friend button. Now you have the link that you can copy. So copy the link, and you have all the socials that you can click on to share with your friends to invite them: WhatsApp, Instagram, Chrome, and Gmail. Or you can just copy your link and share to any other platform that you want. So that's one of the steps that you can take. And choose Supercell ID. Go ahead and click on these three horizontal lines and click on Supercell ID. And in here, okay, we have a code. So I'm just going to click on cancel. So in here, click on Supercell ID again. So you have this add friends option. So go ahead and click on add friends. Now you can add or invite friends to Supercell ID. Go ahead and click on this add button. You have a QR code that you can tell any of them to scan, and so they can scan the QR code, or you can share link to profile. So you can click on share link to profile. So click on copy for the steps. You can share to any of those platforms, or you can copy the link and share to anybody. So this is pretty much how you can add friends in Clash Royale. Now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.